Hello, this is Servo Sandy. Today is a troubleshooting day. If your servo have a spatial noise, I will teach you how to avoid that. We assume this servo have a spatial noise, ju ju ju. This kind of noise. First, we need to open the button case. So here I have 4 screws. Then you open the case. So you can see here is a PCB board, and then there's a hole on the PCB board. It's very easy. You just put the grease or the gear oil or bearing oil in this hole. Then close the case. Then you can try again. This sound is because the bearing on the motor already dry. There is no oil on the bearing. When you add the bearing, then this spatial sound will be disappear. So you can try this before you announce there is a defective. Thank you.